What's up guys? You know, we tested mostly budget earbuds on our channel Tech Brothers, but now we have a flagship earbuds from Creative company called Aurvana Ace 2. First, you should know about their price tag of $150, so these are definitely not budget earbuds. However, their features are very impressive, such as xMEMS driver, Qualcomm aptX lossless sound, Qualcomm Adaptive ANC, Ambient Mode support, 6 microphones, Qualcomm CVC noise cancellation technology, and others. By the way, these earbuds have awards from Android Central, Sound Guys, and positive reviews from other leading tech publications. I am very interested in testing the Creative Aurvana Ace 2 earbuds and see if they are worth it. Although I haven't tested any Creative products before, I know that this Singapore-based company was founded in 1981. They specialize in audio devices such as premium wireless speakers, high-performance earphones, and portable media devices. The Creative Aurvana Ace 2 is the latest wireless earbuds of the brand. The box of the earbuds has an image and model name, as well as main features on the side and some specs on the back. Inside the box there is a charging case with earbuds. We will look at them a little later. Then we have silicone ear tips of different sizes, USB Type-C charging cable, and user manual. By the way, the user manual is available in different languages, including English, German, French, etc. You know, I told you some of the features of the new Creative earbuds, but I didn't talk about their awesome design. It looks like the earbuds are available only in this gold color with a transparent case. To be honest, I am not really a fan of golden color in devices, but it looks good here. Even the internal parts in the charging case are painted gold. There's only Aurvana logo on the front, lanyard mount on the side, also the lanyard itself is not included. LED indicator, USB Type-C port, and power button at the bottom. There's also a sticker with some technical information on the back, but I am more interested in what's under the sticker. We can see a wireless charging coil inside the case. We will test wireless charging a bit later. Opening the lid of the charging case, we see gold everywhere. It looks expensive and premium. The earbuds have the same transparent design as the charging case. However, the inside and stem are matte black. The touch control panel is located here. We will come back to the control functions later. Creative Aurvana Ace 2 comes with the silicone ear tips. As I said before, they are available in small, medium, and large sizes. You should also know that earbuds have aptX water resistance. This standard guarantees protection against splashes, sweat, and rain, but not immersion in water. The earbuds fit very securely and comfortably in the ears, so I think they are good for sports. By the way, the weight of a single earbud is just 5 grams. The total weight of the charging case and earbuds is 48 grams. Okay, now I want to install the companion app on my smartphone and connect the earbuds to it. The app has the same name as the company, Creative. You can find it on the App Store and Play Store. After opening the app, you just need to open the lid of the charging case, and the earbuds will be automatically detected in the app. By the way, you also need to go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone and select earbuds. So in the app, there is a battery level of the left and right earbuds, but not the charging case. Then we have equalizer. By default, the sound is flat, but you can change bass and treble, as well as manually adjust settings. You can also click on the label flat and select an EQ preset. In the Ambient control menu, we can select Adaptive ANC Ambient Mode or turn it off. Finally, there are custom buttons available in the app. Let's talk about control functions. By default, we can double-click on the left earbud to switch between ANC Mode and Ambient Mode. The double tap on the right earbud plays and pauses the music. The triple tap on the left earbud activates Voice Assistant on smartphone. Triple tap on the right earbud switches to the next track. You can also press long on the left earbud while playing music to turn the volume down, and a long press on the right earbud to turn the volume up. As I already said, you can change the control buttons in the app for double and triple tap, but you can only swap volume up and volume down for a long tap. By the way, I forgot to tell you that Creative app has a device settings menu. Here we can change the device name, turn on/off low latency mode, audio prompt, and update firmware. I have a new firmware version. Let's install it. Since the earbuds have a low latency mode, let's check out the latency in games. As you can see, the delay is very high with the low latency mode off, and it is much lower with the low latency mode on. However, I still cannot say these are gaming earbuds. The Creative Aurvana Ace 2 has a total of 6 built-in microphones, 3 in each earbud, as well as Qualcomm CVC noise cancellation technology. The phone call's quality promises to be good. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? I'm talking to you through the new Creative Earbuds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm in a quiet room now. The sound should be perfect. Now I turn on the street noise simulation on my TV. It is very noisy in the room, so I can barely hear myself. Do you hear me well? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You know, the microphone quality of the Creative Earbuds is one of the best I have tested in a while. You are most likely interested in the Creative Aurvana Ace 2 because of their sound quality. The earbuds use a 2-driver system with xMEMS driver and 10mm dynamic driver. The first driver is used to enhance the high-frequency accuracy and detail, while the 10mm driver produces mid-range audio and a deep bass. The manufacturer promises CD-quality sound for these earbuds thanks to the LC3, AAC, and SBC audio codecs support, Snapdragon sound, and Qualcomm aptX lossless technologies. I think your smartphone should also have a Snapdragon chipset and support these technologies. Unfortunately, I don't have one of those phones right now. I have been listening to music on my iPhone 12, and I have to say that these are one of the best earbuds I have tested. I told you about equalizer in the app. I think you should use it and customize the sound to your preference, because the default settings are good, but not impressive. I turned the bass slider to maximum, and I want to say that I have never heard such a powerful bass from wireless earbuds. By boosting the bass, you increase your immersion in the sound. It feels like you're at a concert. If you want a more detailed sound, then reduce the bass and add treble. The sound quality is amazing. We should also talk about ANC. The Creative Aurvana Ace 2 earbuds support Qualcomm Adaptive Active Noise Cancellation. Although the noise reduction level isn't specified anywhere, I checked it out myself, and I think it is about 50 decibels. That's very good. And the earbuds also have an ambient mode. I must say that this is the most powerful ambient mode I have ever tested. It feels like the earbuds increase the noise around me by 2 or 3 times. Honestly, I don't think it would be very comfortable to use in public places, because the noise in ambient mode is much louder than without earbuds at all. Talking about the battery of the Creative Aurvana Ace 2. A single earbud has a capacity of 42 mAh, while a charging case has a 470 mAh battery. The battery life on a single charge with ANC off is up to 6 hours, depending on the volume level, distance between earbuds and smartphone, and other factors. When using ANC mode, the battery life is up to 4 hours under the same conditions. The total battery life with the charging case is 24 hours with ANC off and 16 hours with ANC on. By the way, Creative Earbuds support wireless charging. So let's summarize our review of the Creative Aurvana Ace 2 earbuds. First and foremost, you should buy them for their sound quality. This is probably one of the best sounding earbuds I have tested in a while, and I am sure they have the most powerful bass. I think if you use a smartphone with a Qualcomm chip, the sound will be even better than on an iPhone. The mobile app with equalizer is very useful because you can customize the sound to your preferences. Active noise cancellation works great, but the ambient mode is even overkill for me. In addition, the design of these earbuds with a transparent case and golden color leaves no one indifferent. I believe the Creative Aurvana Ace 2 are totally worth their price of $150. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!